Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make origami paper ninja star. But this ninja star name is 8-sided ninja star. Guys, this is a very nice model, and as I can tell you that you need A4 size paper. So these are my A4 size paper, orange and yellow. So first of all you have to make them into squares, then into quarters. So you will find out 4 quarters from one A4 size paper. Okay guys, so these are my 4 yellow quadrilaterals, like 4 quarters, and these are my 4 yellow orange quarters. So guys, I will start by making with one, and then you have to do with all all these rest of the 7 quarters. All guys, so here is my 1 quarter. So I will show you by step to make this. So first of all, what you need is take this line over here, line up on this line over here. Like that. Now open it. Now what to do guys is take this point over here and line this line over here, line over on this line over there with the middle line. Guys, then take this line and line up on this line over here. Guys, then now turn over, and what to do is take here, now close it like that, so that this line here should line up on this line like that. Guys, then increase it. Now what to do is take this point and line up on this point like that, and then crease this. Now guys, open it, and what to do is open this. So here is one line like that, so you have to unfold that line like this, and so what to do, close it, unfold this, unfold both of them, and now tuck this inside like this, and now then close it. So guys, this is our one model of 8-sided ninja star. Guys, so you have to do these steps to make 7 other quarters. Guys, so here are my 8 pieces. Guys, these are my 4 yellow pieces and 4 orange pieces. So guys, by taking 2 of them, and then I'll fix all of them together. Guys, so what to do is, as you can see, here is a space. Okay, so what to do guys is take this, and here is like that, so you have to slide it into like this till the upper point like that, and now guys, crease it like that and open this here. So guys, here you can see there's also one edge, So you will fold it inwards like that, like this, and fold inwards like this. Okay, so here I have fixed my first two pieces together. Then I will fix my third piece like this. Fix my third piece inside like this and put it in like this. Fold it inwards like that and take my yellow piece, slide it inward like this and crease it like this. Crease it like that, both of them together. So here is my fourth. So again, then guys, here is my fifth. It will slide into like this. Guys, make sure that you have creased them fully inside and not a bit is left outside. And then slide another piece inside like this and then fold it inwards like this. Fold it all the piece part like this inside. And then fix my sixth piece. Fold it inwards like this. Like this guys. Inwards like this. And this also like this. And then crease. Now take my yellow piece, orange piece, sorry. Slide it up. Guys, upper is closed and it's open. So slide it into like this. And then crease like that. And crease also like this. Now close it. And now guys, also like upper is closed, lower is open, so crease it, slide it into it like this, and now crease it like this. Guys, make sure, as I said, that crease completely inside like and not a bit is left. Guys, so I have fixed all. Now what to do is in last guys is slide this part inside slowly like this. So as you can see guys, here are two pockets separately. One is inside, the yellow one is inside, and two orange pieces are there. So I have to first crease this piece inside between the yellow and the orange one, and like this, and then crease, and then open the lower here pocket and crease other yellow one inside. Sorry guys, inside like this. As I said, make sure completely, yeah. So here is my 8-sided nester. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, now how to slide them inside like this. Guys, so then now I will show you how to slide them. Guys, open it like this. And fix it like this, like this, and like this, and yeah, like this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like this piece, give the thumb up sign and subscribe to my channel if you want like these videos more in the future. Guys, I said that if I will hit my 50 subscribers till this Wednesday, coming Wednesday. So I will make a very new and very special thing for you guys. Okay, guys, I'll teach you in my next tutorial paper wallet. So I think you will be looking for that. Bye, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.